their clients will make a GET request here, and they'll pass an ISBN number. And in this example, we'll have them pass in this, and then they'll get all the properties that they want for green eggs and ham. The very first thing we'll do is I'll define the route, and it'll be like this. And the second parameter in that route will be an int that will be the ISBN. If someone goes to the book's ISBN route, then this get book by ISBN function will run, and the ISBN that's passed in the URL will be passed in to this function as a parameter. This route is very similar to the books one we defined above, and the only real difference is now that there's a second parameter being passed, which is the int ISBN portion. The second parameter passed in the URL will be stored in a variable called ISBN, and we will then typecast this, whatever is passed in to the URL, as an int. Then our getBook by ISBN method will be able to take whatever was passed in from that URL and be able to use it. So the very first thing we want to do is get rid of this pass, which was just a placeholder that I put, and actually we'll start defining this method. I'll define the return value as an empty dictionary object. For all the books that we have right here, we'll iterate through it. If we get a book that's ISBN matches what was passed in, and this ISBN on the right side is the variable that is passed in, and the left side is the ISBN from the book, then we'll add properties to our return value. The very first property we'll add is a name field, which will be the book.name or the book's name. And the second thing we'll do is we'll add the book price. So all this is doing is grabbing what properties we have defined here, and it's adding it to the return value. And then at the very end, after the for loop, it'll return the return value. We have to make sure that we call JSONify for this return value, because this return value is a form dictionary and we need a JSON object. And JSONify also handles sending back the correct headers back to the client. Now that this is all done, we'll test this. The very first thing I need to do is I need to open a terminal. And in this terminal, I'll run our application. So I'll bring over a Chrome browser here, and I'll refresh the page. So we should see very first all the books that we have. So that validates that our previous route is working. And then now if I grab this ISBN number, then we see that we get green eggs and ham. And if I grab this ISBN number, then we see that we get the cat in the hat.